Hello everyone, welcome to ExcelSheet. In this short tutorial, we'll learn how to copy format in Excel. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel sheet and select the table which is formatted in a definite format. It's just a table format. For example, we want to copy this format from this table. Select the whole table and go for Home tab. From there, click on Format, Painter. Here you can see there is a paintbrush appeared. Now drag and drop the whole format. It will copy your entire format. So this is how you can copy your entire format by simply clicking on Format Painter. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.